Today I'm going to show you how to update your itch.io games on PC quickly and easily. If you've downloaded a game through the itch.io app, keeping it updated is simple, and this method makes sure you always have the latest version without having to search for files or reinstall everything manually. This is especially helpful if you play a lot of indie games and want to stay current with bug fixes, new features, and performance improvements. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful PC guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the itch.io app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll want to head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are stored in one place, so it's the best starting point when you want to manage updates. In the library, look for the game you want to update and click on it. This will open the games page inside the app, where you can see the game details and available options. Now, take a look at the sidebar. The sidebar is where itch.io keeps the key actions for each game, including update-related options. If an update is available, you should see a clear option to check for updates or download the newest version. Click that update option and let the app do its job. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download or update process begins, just let it complete fully before opening the game again. After the update finishes, your game will be on the latest version and ready to play. This is the easiest way to keep your itch.io games updated on PC without needing to manually re-download files or dig through folders. If you ever want to update another game, just repeat the same steps. Open the app, go to your library, select the game, and check the sidebar for updates. It's a fast workflow that makes managing your itch.io library much easier. And if you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that the app is connected to the internet, because both of those can affect whether updates appear properly. So that's how to update itch.io games on PC using the itch.io app. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.